Today we're coming to you from the beautiful True Caliber Design Center in the A&D building. We're excited to be joined by Ella Devar, president of the Global Longevity Association, a renowned nutrition expert and passionate advocate for healthy living. Ella believes that eating well doesn't mean sacrificing flavor, and today she's going to prove it. Our featured ingredient is the rich, creamy, and incredibly versatile Orontes Yogurt. Made with premium ingredients and inspired by authentic Mediterranean traditions, Orontes Yogurt delivers delicious taste while providing the wholesome nutrition that fits perfectly into a healthy lifestyle. Ella will show us how easy it is to transform this delicious yogurt into a recipe that's fresh, flavorful, and perfect for entertaining family and friends or enjoying any day of the week. Let's head into the kitchen at True Caliber Design Center and get cooking with Ella Devar and Orontes Yogurt.
Hello, New Yorkers! My name is Ella Devar, and I'm so excited to be on a Taste of New York show. I'm a registered dietitian and the founder of Gut Brain Method, and today I'm here to address some of your summer concerns. So many of you are feeling bloated, constipated, dehydrated with the summer heat and no time for cooking, and I brought 2 recipes. Stay tuned until the last one. I promise you it's going to be worth it, that I'm making with the very minimal prep. It's super easy for you and your family, even children, to stay hydrated, to stay satiated, and in your best shape. So today I'm making Orontes Yogurt, a beautiful tzatziki. No cooking involved, but quite a few ingredients that are anti-inflammatory and helps you to thrive from inside out. So many of you are asking me about gut health right now and gut health tips. So my biggest tip is fiber and anti-inflammatory spices. So I'm using a lot of dill for my tzatziki. I'm using some garlic and of course cucumbers, which is basically 0 ingredients. And the main star is obviously Orontes Yogurt, because Orontes Yogurt is the best right now in the market, and let me tell you why. I'm not gonna say this lightly, but it's the yogurt that's made with 3 ingredients designed for your health. There aren't many brands that are actually made with health of the consumer in mind. And this one, they added chicory root fiber for you and your microbiome to thrive from inside out. You probably have heard of gut microbiome and gut-brain connection and why it's important, but most yogurts don't have fiber added to it. That's why I love using Orontes for my recipe. So here I added some cucumbers, I added some dill. I'm gonna add some mint for a pop of color, and I'm gonna start chopping some garlic. For most of you, this recipe, I love using it and recommending it for like dinner ideas with your steak, with your grilled chicken and barbecue. You can use it as a salad dressing for your lunch, but those who are using it for breakfast, you can skip garlic. I promise you it's gonna be okay. If you skip it, you can use scallions. So this way you are still feeling satiated on high protein and high fiber without the bad breath. All right, here we have a finished product. This is what it looks like. I recommend using it with as a dip, or as I said earlier, you could use it as a dressing for your salad. But as a dip, I love using the fresh vegetables such as carrots, radishes, celery. This dish is everything you need to stay hydrated, to stay skinny, and in your best shape. This dish has protein, it's got fiber, it's got beneficial probiotics for your gut microbiome, and it's very low in calories. This dish is 1 cup of yogurt, so it's basically 10 grams of protein. And if you share it with others, it's basically no calorie type of dish. So I love using it as a snack. I love using it, as I said, for dressing, as a side dish. It's absolutely delicious, and you must try it. There's no excuse not to.
Well, I'm dairy intolerant.
Exactly. I work with the arguments like this all day long, and this is why you need to know about A2 types of dairy, because you're intolerant of regular, conventionally made dairy products. And A2 protein is scientifically proven to be easier digested for most people. And I love recommending Orontes yogurt, not because it's grass-fed cows and it's Jersey cows from Philadelphia. It's also made with A2 proteins and added fiber. So it's lactose-free, it's locally sourced, and it's much easier to digest for most people. And let me tell you, the amount of health benefits you're missing out, and I would want you to try it. It's got probiotics for your gut and microbiome, to thrive from inside out. It's got fiber and protein, everything you need to live a longer and healthier life. So definitely try it before you go completely dairy-free. Hello, New Yorkers. My name is Ella Devar, and I'm a registered dietitian, and I'm back on here to present you a better-for-you dessert. It's not your typical ice cream made with thickeners and gums and a ton of ingredients. We're making a dessert for you and your family with just 2 ingredients. I'm using Orontes vanilla yogurt to make a frozen yogurt with cherries. Cherries are in season right now, and I want you to take advantage of it. And this dessert is going to satisfy even some of those picky eaters that you have at your house. I promise you. So all I'm using is this yogurt, and the reason I love recommending Orontes yogurt because it's made with A2 type of protein, which is easier to digest for most people. It is locally made in Pennsylvania. There we go. We have the yogurt in our food processor, and all I'm gonna add is frozen cherries. The vanilla one is already sweet enough, so I wouldn't recommend it, but you know, if you wanted something sweeter, you could use honey or maple syrup, but I think you should try it without. So all you need is vanilla yogurt, 1 cup, and 1 cup of frozen cherries. And there we go. I'm gonna add a little more because I just love the cherry flavor, and cherries have the most amount of antioxidant, so enjoy them while they're in season. And there we go. Food processor. Look how gorgeous this is. All right, and there we have it. You could serve it fresh, or you could freeze it for 20 minutes for more texture. Let's try this out. I love serving this with a little bit of mint for extra beautiful presentation, and some cacao nibs. These are high in polyphenols and antioxidants. But of course, the reason I chose Orontes yogurt here is because not only that it's better for you to digest, it is also lactose free, unlike most ice creams. So this version is so much better for you and your family, and I don't want you to miss on all the health benefits. You should definitely try it. There's no excuse not to. It took me less than 5 minutes to make this dessert, and it's absolutely divine. Wow.
Today's dish featured the creamy, authentic taste of Orontes yogurt, a versatile ingredient that's perfect for everything from savory recipes to sweet creations. It's an easy way to bring wholesome Mediterranean goodness into your everyday meals. We'd also like to thank our hosts here at the beautiful True Caliber Design Center, where stunning kitchens provide the perfect setting to create memorable meals and unforgettable moments with family and friends. To learn more about Orontes yogurt and discover where you can find their products, visit their website at orontesyogurt.com.